What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones and welcome back to another video. Today we have a unboxing video for y'all, and it's a surprise unboxing because once again I had no idea this box was out here. So over the weekend I went to my mom's crib, and when I went to my mom's crib I seen somebody left a package. That was one thing to leave a package at my crib, but my mom's crib, I don't even know how this was about, you know what I'm saying, or how was it seen, but at the end of the day, listen, I got it. Now the brand that sent me this package, we have done stuff in the past, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I thought they forgot about your boy Snipe Jones. We haven't done a video together in a very long time. So you can imagine how excited I am to be here giving you guys another unboxing. Now I have no idea what's in the box. I was hoping that we can open it up and go over it together. But before we get into that, man, make sure you subscribed to the channel. Very important you subscribe to the channel. The goal is 100K. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, bro, just leave. God, bro, just go. There's no reason for you to be here. You're not needed. Listen, we have 71K. The goal was 100K. If you're not helping us get past that goal, then like, why are you watching? There's way too many people that watch and not sub, bro. I don't understand it. The sub is free. Hit the button and go about your day. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna open this up, see what's in it, and hopefully it's something good. The box is pretty big, so I'm thinking it's 2 shoes. It'll be great if it's 2 sneakers and not 1, because hey, I ain't gonna cap, you know what I'm saying? The more the merrier. So hopefully it's 2 shoes. I'm not gonna cap. I wish it's 2 shoes. So without further ado, let's get into this box. This is a big box, okay? A very, very big box. Now my main problem with this box is, bro, who tried to steal my box? You know what I'm saying? Like, there's no reason for somebody to really just snuff my box like this. Now, when I first seen this mark, I was alarmed. You know what I'm saying? I thought somebody tried to get over on your boy Snipe. So I wanted to open this box up and make sure that everything was still intact, but I didn't, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a quick glance because I still got the shipping label on there. But see, it's still taped. You feel me? It's still taped. Let's open this up and see what we have. Now, it would be a great spoiler if I was to tell y'all what brand it's from, but that would be no fun. You know what I'm saying? It would be no fun in me telling y'all what brand this is from. So you just gotta watch the entire video to figure out what it is, bro. So I appreciate the ones that's been watching the entire video to see exactly what it is. Open this last one up, and wow, I know y'all been missing the Sniper Bullet box opener. I know a few of y'all asked about it. I had lost it, but now I found it, so it's all good. Let's open this up and see what we have. Oh man. Oh man, it's a bag. Now, I thought it was 2 sneakers because it felt pretty heavy, but actually, it's because Puma decided to send your boy something with a dramatic opening. So let me flip this over and show y'all this dope bag. So as y'all see on the bag right here, let me move this handle, it says Dreamer. And before I even show this, I'm gonna probably get emotional because a lot of y'all don't know, J. Cole is my favorite rapper of all time since high school. He's been my favorite rapper of all time. Matter of fact, I would say high school. I figured out about who J. Cole was on the song Stars Born on Blueprint 3, and I immediately chased down all his songs, and I've literally been a fan since the come up. So J. Cole has linked up with Puma, and he's made the Dreamer. I remember when the Puma first came out, the J. Cole feature first came out, when he announced that he was making the shoe. I was super excited, and I wanted the first one, and Puma didn't send me out the first one, and I had a very hard time getting the first ever Puma J. Cole collaboration sneaker. But for them to send this to me, man, I don't even know what colorway this is, but I know automatically from this, the Dreamer on the bag, bro. This is a very, very emotional moment for me. I ain't gonna cap. Not emotional like crying, but emotional like, wow. Like, I feel a bit overwhelmed at the same time. So I really want to take my time and unbox this because this is so dope. Now, the bag alone is tough. It looked like a utility bag. It got a few pockets on it, like a gym bag, honestly. So I know these are probably some shoes I can get buckets in. So let me open up the first zipper. It also has Dreamer on it. It got like a Dreamer tag right here too. Let me show y'all. And y'all know, bro, when it comes about dreaming, it's all me, bro. Like, you see the Dream Big hoodie. Shout out to people that bought the merch, man. I'm overwhelmed. I'm telling y'all now, bro. I'm very overwhelmed. So I'm gonna go in and grab the box. And yes, bro. Bro, I wanted this box. I'm not sure, okay? Because I told y'all I don't own, let me see if there's anything else in the bag. I don't own a Dreamer. So this is literally my first pair. But I remember when, you know, everybody, like all the influencers got their packages, this was the box, right? You would have like J. Cole jumping through the clouds and you would get this shoe that says the Dreamer. Now the thing is, I thought that this was like only an influencer only type deal. I thought it was like an influencer only type packaging. If you own a Puma Dreamer, comment down below if this is the standard box that every Puma Dreamer comes in, or is this a special packaging? Because this might go behind me. Just the fact that, you know, I got the J. Cole jumping over the clouds, got the Dreamer, bro. Like, this is something I would want behind me in every single video. Like, I love this box. This box is one of the best boxes. Even if it is a box that everybody gets, it's one of the best boxes I've ever seen. So let's open this up, man. And we have a card from Puma. Much love to y'all. It says, "What's your dream?" And it says Dreamer 2 at Puma Hoop. So this is the Dreamer 2. So the one that I was talking about previously that are released was the Dreamer 1. Now J. Cole has moved on to a second silhouette, which is the Dreamer 2. It is a size 12. And this is the pair I saw on Twitter. I literally just asked my girlfriend about this sneaker. She said she liked it too. It is this canary yellow Puma basketball sneaker, which is the J. Cole Dreamer 2. It says RSO. This one is the one I just seen on Twitter, bro. I cannot tell you how happy I am to have a pair of these. Now, I'm about to grab, actually in my bag right now, I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm literally about to grab my bag because there's a pair of Pumas that I'm hooping in right now as we speak. I ain't even gonna cap, I'm gonna still have them in the bag. I'm gonna be right back. Alright, just so y'all know, you know what I'm saying? I still have the gym bag intact. And when I go into my gym bag, I have the sneakers that I recently just hooped in, and that is another pair of Puma sneakers that Puma sent over. But these are one of the best basketball sneakers I have inside my entire collection, and I hoop in these more than I hoop in any other shoe. But now, for a fact, we can get these J. Cole Dreamer 2s in rotation for sure. Now, this is a lot to take in, okay? If you're watching this video, bro, it's a lot to take in because, like I said, man, J. Cole has been my favorite rapper since, man, I had a favorite rapper. Like, in high school, I would literally walk home from practice memorizing every J. Cole song. And just to see him doing things with Puma is just showing like the growth and evolution of him and the growth of evolution of Puma. I've been very vocal and even been quoted in magazines that snippets from conversations that I had with writers saying that Puma is on the rise. And you know what? I'll take that back. I wouldn't say Puma was on the rise. Puma's here. Last year, I believe Puma was on the rise when they came out with the basketball sneaker. Now Puma is officially here. The reason I say that is because if you look at all the upcoming young talent, whether it be LaMelo Ball, Terry Rozier, DeAndre Ayton, I mean, not even some vets, some championship guys like Danny Green. And honestly, man, the list just goes on and on of different people that's coming through Puma, and they all signing. And I just think that J. Cole signing with Puma was just another sign of they're here, bro. It's like another reality for people who sleep on Puma or don't like their products to be like, yo, bro, it's time to start taking Puma serious. If you don't, you know, a lot of y'all have been taking Puma serious the last few years, but they're here, bro. This is not a fluke, and I don't think they're going anywhere anytime soon. So let me put this to the side real quick, and let me put this to the side real quick, just to go over the Puma RSO Dreamer 2. So, Bow, let's check this out. This is a canary yellow on the upper. Really like it. Reason being is because it's very vibrant. Now, when I hoop, I get a lot of buggers, man. I ain't gonna hold you. And one of the most important things about hooping to me is the grip. So I do want to check out the outer sole and just look at the grip patterns. I am hooping tomorrow, and you know what I'm gonna do, bro? I'm gonna bring these tomorrow. The midsole has a lot of bounce in it, and it kind of reminds me of the Pumas that I showed y'all earlier because I don't know what's in it. I believe the technology was like micro something, but bruh, phenomenal. You hear me? Phenomenal. Another thing I love about Puma is they're not over branding. Like, I used to think like they over branded a lot of their sneakers, and now you just see like the Puma logo just blends in with the design of the shoe. And that's so important whenever you're doing any type of branding on your sneaker. You don't want to overdo it. It's like putting like a watermark on a picture and you slap it over the most important part. It's like, hey, sometimes subtle is best. I like that they got the Puma logo right there blended in. Yes, it's a different material with a little gloss, but it blends in perfectly with the shoe. Of course, you see the Dreamer on the back of the sneaker, one of my favorite parts. I just like that. RSO hidden right on the tongue right here. You get the matching canary yellow laces. Mesh on the toe box, I believe that's a good idea, man. It keeps the shoe breathable, especially when we're talking about a basketball shoe, because At the end of the day, this is a basketball sneaker. I remember when it was even talks about J. Cole signing to the Detroit Pistons and actually taking NBA tryouts. If y'all haven't seen any of J. Cole's viral videos of him hooping, he's definitely got way better. I've even heard he's working out with Lethal Shooter. He's a bucket now, you know what I'm saying? He's a bucket now. I believe it might even be like a little hidden 3M up under this, bro. It looks like it, I'm not for sure, but it looks like it can be. Even this swipe coming down could be 3M. Man, I am super excited to have my first pair of J. Cole Dreamer 2s. I gotta get a pair of the Dreamer 1s, to be honest. It's the only way. I'm super thankful. Puma, thank you guys so much for sending this over, man. I don't even know what to say. Cole is like my favorite rapper ever. It ain't like he handpicked these and sent these to me, but it feels like it. You know what I'm saying? It feels like I'm a part of something. So I will catch you guys in the next one. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous. Mahuli putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.